If you still make use of Canva to design your YouTube thumbnail, I think it's time for you to drop it and embrace a more professional way of doing it. Even if you are not good with Photoshop, just make sure to download Photoshop and After Effects on your laptop while I walk you through the process. After you have successfully installed your After Effects and your Photoshop application, the first thing you do is to open your After Effects. Then make sure you transfer all your images or materials to the composition footage. As soon as you are done with that, you click on your footage or your image. You convert your image from being a 2D image to 3D just by clicking on this empty space. And if your interface does not have this particular option, just right click on the source name that you can see here, and you will see the switch option. Click on it, and there you have it. Your interface, your user interface will be the same as what we have here. Next, you introduce the camera by going to the layer option, branch out, and you select camera. While on the camera, you open the options that are obtainable and you adjust the aperture and the focus distance to your taste. Thereafter, you bring your image, you bring your picture, because this first image that we have here will serve as the background, a background by which we intend to build up our thumbnail on. So you bring in your picture now. I believe you know how to remove the background of your picture. If you've never done that before, just open BG Remover on your browser. As soon as you are done with opening the BG Remover on your browser, upload your image on it, and automatically the AI feature will remove the background for you, and you download it back on your system. So thereafter, you add it to your scene. And after that, you add the text and select the kind of color you want. But as for me, I prefer this particular color. Yeah. Now it's all done, and I am satisfied with what I am seeing here. The next thing is to go to the composition option and save as frame. While you save as frame, you will be able to automatically transfer your project file to Photoshop. It will be saved in form of Photoshop project file, and you render it. When you are done with that, you close your After Effects application and you move to Photoshop. Don't forget, we saved the file as a project as a Photoshop project file. So wherever you decide to save the Photoshop project file, you open it, and at Photoshop, you don't even, while you're on the Photoshop interface, you don't need to do anything. All what you need to do is to either export it by saving as a PNG file, or you save it as a JPEG file. There you have it. It is very simple. If you know a better way of doing this, kindly let us know in the comment section. And if you are really impressed with the walkthrough I just showed you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I can't wait to hear from you.